Hello and welcome back to Sales Success Unplugged. I'm Michelle Terpstra, your host, and I am so excited for you to join me inside Sales School today. Now, if you like my content, do me a favor, hit subscribe, share it with your friends. This channel is dedicated to online entrepreneurs, service providers, coaches, and consultants that want to create and sell their irresistible offers using authentic social selling. Today, we are going to be talking about the power of pre-selling. Yeah! Now, let me know in the comments before if you have ever started a live launch, a live virtual launch with already a couple of sales in your back pocket. I would love to know below. All right, so we are going to be breaking down the power of pre-selling. Now, if you're not really familiar with this concept, or perhaps you are looking to next level your next virtual live launch or your first one, be sure to download the checklist that is in the description below, because it is the 4 things that you need to be doing in terms of sales activity prior to your next launch so that you can get sold out. My clients see up to a 50% conversion rate during their live events, and the reason why? Authentic social selling and strategies like we're going to be talking about today. All right, so I love sales psychology. Sales psychology is so fun. I love to know why people buy. If you love to know why people buy, let me know below, all right? So a really big piece of why people buy is social proof. It makes them want to say yes. There's lots of different types of social proof out there, but today we are going to be talking about the power of pre-selling as social proof. It accelerates your know, like, and trust like no tomorrow. All right, I'm going to paint a picture for you here. All right. So let's say, let's use like a really fun one. Let's say you are a copywriter. Hello, copywriters. If you are a copywriter, let me know in the comment section below. And you've decided you are kicking to the curb the one-to-one and you want to launch a group program to teach your skills and so that you don't have to do as much one-to-one work. Let's say you're that person, and I'm gonna name you Amy, all right? Amy, the copywriter, is transitioning from lots of one-to-one done-for-you services into a group coaching program so that she can help more people at once get the results that they need without trading time for money. Hey, Amy, okay? All right, so this is what we're gonna be breaking down. Let's say that Amy currently has, let's say, 5 clients. And she has created a group coaching program that is going to be $2,000, and it is 6 weeks. Okay? She's decided that she wants to do this during a live launch. Let's just pretend she's working with me, so she's launching her mini course, which if you haven't caught this before, the mini course is really amazing. You pre-record your content, it goes out via email, super easy video training, super high conversion rates, amazing. One of my favorite ways to launch, okay? So let's say she's doing her mini course, okay? Also, let's say her community is set up on Facebook. Okay, FB community. Let's also say that her goal for this first one is 10 sales. So 20K. All right, that's her goal. Let's walk through how pre-selling can help Amy. All right, so she currently has 5 clients. She's developed a 6-week program for a new concept. So let's say that she is an email copywriter, all right? And she is also really good at sales pages. So she's decided to do a 6-week, $2,000 group coaching program on how to write sales pages that go along very well with the email sequences that she's been writing and doing for clients for a long time. Sounds like an amazing transition, super valuable. Why is it an amazing transition and super valuable? She's using her same skill sets to provide something new so that she can tap back into existing clients, pre-sell, and get the momentum that she needs. So before she launches this 6-week program, she goes to her 5 clients and says, hey, 5 clients, You know how I've written these amazing emails for you and you've been thinking about rewriting that sales page? Well, guess what? I'm doing it in a group container and we're doing it for 6 weeks. It's $2,000 and I would love to offer you one of the limited seats. And here is the bonus as well. Insert juicy bonus, all right? Now, what do you think is gonna happen? I wanna know below. I'm gonna pause, see if there's any comments. Maybe you're watching this right now and you're like, ooh, what are people gonna think? Let's pretend there's lots of comments below. Lots of good things are gonna happen, all right? So she goes to those 5 clients, makes that proposal. Let's say 3 of them say, amazing, I'm in, right? So now you have 3 clients already out of your 10 quota. So now you only need 7 more. Now, if you use the math that I use, which is anywhere between a 30 to 50% conversion rate on a mini course live launch, okay? So let's do the math here, okay? Let's say you get 20 people registered for this. You will easily hit your quota, easily sell out and make $20,000. Pretty darn amazing, friends, okay? But now what we're talking about is this number, how important that number is. So if you go into a virtual live launch and after the mini course is being delivered, everyone's super excited, they're putting their homework into the Facebook group, people are freaking out, everyone's excited, getting results, it's like so much fun, right? So then what happens? Ooh, time to say open cart for a new program, right? Now, instead of Amy sitting on pins and needles and wondering if anyone's going to purchase, she already has 3 people in. So what does that do for Amy? Gives Amy confidence, and it also motivates buyers. Sales psychology, it's a combination of social proof, FOMO, and all of the other good, amazing things of why people buy, all right? Clearly, it's an amazing program too. We don't sell bad programs over here. All right, so cart open, and she makes an announcement. 1 person's in. A couple hours later, makes another announcement. 2nd person's in. Now, what do you think is happening here to everybody else who's part of this live event? They're starting to be like, I'm like that person who already said yes. I'm at that same stage. She's confident in Amy. I want to be confident in Amy. I'm going for it. I'm going to start purchasing. So what it does is it creates this snowball effect, right? It gives buyers confidence, it gives you confidence, and you get really, really close to that 10-person sold out faster than you can believe it. Now, there's a lot more that goes into this in terms of selling out a group coaching program using a virtual live launch. However, this is one of my top tips for anyone considering is to pre-sell. And people are probably already ready to say yes to you. Now, I would love to know below, have you done this before? Do you like pre-selling? Are you excited to pre-sell? I would love to see what your thoughts are around this. Now, and if you're looking into those 4 components I was talking about, those 4 sales components, things and activities you need to be doing to have a successful launch in the pre-launch, the checklist is below. Please go and grab it. I know it will be amazing and super helpful for you. And as usual, I over-deliver and there's all kinds of juicy stuff in there for you to learn from. Now, next time I will see you. We'll be back in sales school having fun. And this is what it's all about, friends. Now remember, always be curious and happy selling.